called. It's dedicated to all the fellas, so ladies. We know how much our man is working hard, to keep us alive, to keep that love going on. So this, to all the fellas, this is to y'all. And ladies, do it right. It's called Cater to You. Baby, I can see you working hard. I wanna let you know I'm proud. I let you know that I admire what you do. I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you, you inspire me to be better. Challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes. Untie your shoestrings. Take off your cufflinks. Wanna eat food? Let me feed you. I'll run your bath water. Whatever you decide, I'll supply it. Sing you a song, turn my game on. Let me rub your hair, have a put your durag on. You wanna put a rub, want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Now let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man, baby, you blow me away. I got the slippers, your dinners, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart when nothing tears us apart. You all I want in a man. I put my life in your hands. I got the slippers, your dinners, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, let me cater to you. If it's loving that you want, you should make me your girl. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, come and take a walk with me. If it's loving that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down and be the one you share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams, cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. That's why I say dee-dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-day. Just call me whenever you're lonely. Dee-dee-dee-dee-da-dee-dee-da-dee-day. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. You should make me your girl. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, come and take a walk with me. If it's loving that you need, I got it right here, baby. So ladies, you want to make it right, because you don't want to be singing, I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I never should have let you go, cause I knew nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I lied to myself. I never thought that I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here beside myself, cause I didn't know you, cause I didn't know me, but I thought I knew everything. I never felt the feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice, or have you touch and kiss your lips, cause I don't have a choice. I wonder what I wouldn't have you lying by my side right here, cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back baby please, cause we belong together. Who's am I gonna lean on when times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me on the phone till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Baby, we belong together. But if a hot guy comes along, just say, it's a remixer with vision and hot and fresh out the kitchen. I'm rubbing your body out every man. I'm supposed to rub. I'm like the other girl. It's a freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Crystal popping in the Stress Navigator. We got food everywhere as if the party was catered. I got fellas to my left, honey's on my right. We bring the book together, we can go all night. After the after party, and after the party, the hotel lobby. And round about 4, you gotta clear the lobby and take it to your room and boom, somebody. Two, gonna get a beep beep. Head to my phone. if it's not cooked wrong. Yeah. Thank you.